Assalamu alaikum students, how are you? Today we have to learn about from sediment to sedimentary rocks. But we know that rocks are weathered, then they are transported or deposited by wind or river. Over millions of years, sediments will build up on sand dunes, riverbeds and at the bottom of the sea. Due to the increase in pressure from the weight of the sediments above, water is forced out of the lower layers that causes the particles to compact and form sedimentary rock. The size and origin of the sediment particles will determine the type of the sedimentary rock that is formed. Because these are the particles that are being deposited, and with the passage of time and due to the increase in pressure from the weight of the sediments above, water is forced out of the lower layer, causing the particles to compact, and then these particles will be cemented together to form sedimentary rock. Next topic is different kinds of sedimentary rocks. Although the method by which the sedimentary rocks are made is same, but all the sedimentary rocks are not same, because the size and origin of the sediment particles will determine the type of the sedimentary rock that is formed. So different sedimentary rocks are different. This is the sandstone and it is made from larger particles of sand. This is shale, it is also sedimentary rock and it is made from very fine particles of the clay and mud. And this is conglomerate and it is made from the pebbles cemented together with the help of calcium carbonate. Conglomerate is just like a bit of Toblerone. We can see that chocolate is the cement and the nuts are the pebbles that are cemented together. Next we have to do test yourself. Question number 1. How long does it take for sediment to become sedimentary rocks? The answer is over millions of years. Question number 2. Describe how sediment becomes sedimentary rock. The answer is over millions of years, sediment will build up on riverbeds and at the bottom of sea. With increasing pressure from the weight of the sediment above, water is forced out of the lower layer, compacting the particles to form sedimentary rock. Question number 3. Explain why there are different types of sedimentary rock. Answer is the type of sediment determines the type of sedimentary rock. For example, sand particles make sandstone, clay and mud particles make shale. Question number 4. How are the pebbles in conglomerate rock held together? The answer is the pebbles in conglomerate rock are held together with calcium carbonate. Thank you.